Elon Musk announced the Tesla bot in August, which would be specifically designed to handle dangerous and boring tasks in a factory. But the billionaire also foresees the humanoid as a companion. Tesla CEO Elon Musk unveiled a humanoid robot called the Tesla bot that runs on the same AI used by Tesla's fleet of autonomous vehicles. A functioning version of the robot didn't make an appearance during Musk's reveal, though a slightly bizarre dance by a performer dressed like a Tesla bot did. Hello and welcome to Elon Musk Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell to get updated with technology trends. We bring you the video related to Tesla bot, so stick till the end. If there's one company we can rely on to provide an intriguing yet terrifying glimpse of the future, it's Tesla. From rockets to space-age trucks, Elon Musk's brand has promised all sorts of weird and wonderful innovations over the years, and this latest edition is certainly the weirdest. The unexpected reveal came at the end of Tesla's AI Day presentation, with Musk providing few details about the slightly creepy, Slender Man-like robot behind a few PowerPoint slides. The 5'8" robot is expected to weigh in at 125 pounds and be built from lightweight materials, he said. On the Lex Fridman podcast, Musk said Tesla bot, which is codenamed Optimus Subprime, could make an incredible buddy like R2-D2 or C-3PO for the everyday user. The robot will be a general-purpose help machine that takes over jobs that humans do not necessarily like to do. But this will have to be paired with some kind of universal income in the future, Musk said, noting that this would only be necessary when the bot takes over jobs. As to what the bot will actually do, Musk wants to start with tasks that humans don't want to do. He mentioned examples in a factory, like retrieving a bolt and attaching it to a car, or out in the real world, like going to the store and getting groceries. He envisions being able to talk to it, and Tesla bot will figure out what to do without explicit training, whether that's working with a tool or carrying a bag. Tesla bot 1.0 will be focused on helping with general tasks, but Musk didn't rule out that eventually the robot could serve as something more. It can be your buddy too, he said. Buy one and it can be your friend. However, Optimus Subprime could make a very good companion, similar to a dog. It could develop a personality over time that is unique. It's not like all the robots are the same, the billionaire said. That personality could evolve to match the owner, or whatever you want to call it. Musk continued to describe the Star Wars robots, noting that the pair has a lot of flaws and do silly things, and they would argue with each other. There are sort of quirky elements where they make mistakes, and it would make them relatable. I don't know. Endearing, Musk continued. I think that would be something that probably would happen with the Tesla bot, but our initial focus is to just make it useful, he added. Musk said the robots, which is codenamed Optimus, will use the same chips and sensors as Tesla's so-called autopilot software, which has come under intense scrutiny from politicians and federal regulators. Musk said the Tesla bot will get done, but it's unsure about the timeframe of when development will start and finish. He, however, did say that Tesla hopes to have a decent prototype by the end of 2022. The robot's appearance came after a 90-minute presentation detailing some of the artificial intelligence upgrades driving Tesla's electric vehicles, including the Dojo supercomputer, which helps train the cars to navigate city streets without human assistance. It makes sense to put that in humanoid form, Musk said. The Tesla bot is set to include the autopilot computer used in the company's electric car, which will allow the humanoid to recognize real-world things. But the robot will have its own customized sensors and actuators. The robot is expected to stand about 5 feet 8 inches tall and weigh around 125 pounds. Tesla's autopilot cameras could be fitted in the front of the bot's head, and its inner workings will be powered by the company's full self-driving computer. The bot will be able to carry 45 pounds, Musk said, adding that it will be able to run 5 miles per hour. He said the machine will be designed so that humans could easily run away from it and overpower it. Talk to it and say, please pick up that bolt and attach it to that car with that wrench, and it should be able to do that, Musk said. Please go to the store and get me the following groceries, that kind of thing. I think we can do that. Its head will be kitted out with the autopilot cameras used by Tesla's vehicles to sense the environment and will contain a screen to display information. Internally, it will be operating via Tesla's full self-driving computer. It's intended to be friendly, Musk jokes, and navigate through a world built for humans. I think the possibilities are endless, Musk stated on the podcast, It's not exactly in Tesla's major mission directive of speeding the expansion of renewable energy, but making a humanoid robot capable of interacting with the environment and assisting in a variety of ways is a highly important thing for the globe. Musk noted that, unlike killer robots, the Tesla bot could be overpowered by the average human. The Tesla founder has previously warned the world that robots could kill us all in 5 years, a statement Musk made in 2014. 3 slides detailed the robot's proposed specifications, and Musk made sure he pointed out that you could both outrun the Tesla bot and overpower it. He has in the past rallied against the use of robots as weapons and warned that the risk of AI might pose, once calling it the biggest risk we face as a civilization. We should be worried about AI, Musk reiterated during a question and answer session after the presentation. What we're trying to do here at Tesla is make useful AI that people love and is unequivocally good. One particular slide said the Tesla bot would eliminate dangerous, repetitive, boring tasks, and Musk provided an example, suggesting the robot could be told to go to the store and get the following groceries. Not that such a task is particularly dangerous, but you might find it repetitive and boring. So far, so sci-fi. But it's important to remember that Tesla's grandiose announcements, such as the literally smashing Cybertruck launch, don't always translate to the real world. The Cybertruck, for example, has already been subject to multiple delays and redesigns. And just like the Cybertruck, the internet has reacted to the Tesla bot with something of a raised eyebrow. Many have pointed out that creating human-like robots has never ended well in fiction. Others, meanwhile, have mocked specific design details, such as the unimposing height, as well as the obviously terrifying prospect of sentient robots traipsing around the grocery aisles. We're also a little dubious about Musk's ambition to launch the first prototype of the Tesla bot in 2022. I can safely say that it will be much longer than 10 years before a humanoid bot from any company on the planet can go to the store and get groceries for you. At an Autonomy Day event in 2019, Musk said the company would have 1 million autonomous robotaxis on the road by 2020, but such cars have yet to be produced. Unfortunately, as we have seen with robotaxis and other future sci-fi projects for Musk, we view this Tesla bot as an absolute head-scratcher that will further agitate investors at a time the street is showing growing concern about rising EV competition and safety issues for Tesla. Dan Ives, managing director at Wedbush Securities, said, "While we appreciate Musk's longer-term technology vision, a Tesla bot is not what investors want to see," he added. Ives said Tesla has a number of issues it should be focused on, including securing its supply of microchips that has hampered global production of new cars and reportedly led to months-long delays of Tesla deliveries. He also said the company needs to deal with growing scrutiny of its autopilot features and growing its position in the Chinese electric car market. The unveiling of the bot is Musk's latest display of showmanship, but the billionaire has a knack for setting lofty goals, especially when it comes to machine learning projects. That said, this is it for today's video. So what is your take on this matter? Tell us in the comments. If you want to see our upcoming videos, ring the bell icon, and don't forget to like our video as well. That's all from my side. Thanks for watching.